Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on the gold market. So here we do not need to talk a lot, it's just because everything goes with a trading plan. On the euro currency, there was minor surprise. Yesterday's market has shown reaction on a bit more extended level that we have discussed as well, but we suggest it should be starting downside action a bit earlier, 20 pips different. But on the gold market, we do not have anything of this kind, so everything goes just perfect. So here we are still watching for reaching of the major target around 19 even. On the lower time frames, I do not see also too many things to add to our recent comments. As we said, this is mostly indicates the bearish pattern and signs of the bearish dynamic pressure. As a result, you can see market has dropped it down, moving lower under the first 127 extension and taking out of these lows, which means that actually we are going to the target of 119 even here as well. So it's market showing just minor reaction and start moving lower. It means that we have the final extension to the final destination point. The same story we have on the hourly chart. It's okay, everything with our with our butterfly shape. Market is coming to its target. So if you have taken position yesterday around the top of the right arm, that's great. Now you could move stops to the break-even and so on. So the only thing that I would like to warn you about is that once market it starts dropping under 1908 area, the tension will start rising. It's just because it just will make it a bit more difficult for the market to just break through this area, to pierce it and to touch the 19 even level. It's just because of the structure of the weekly support. So if you remember, and you will take a look at the weekly chart, you will see that market has the confluence around 1901, 1908, and it means that once it starts dropping under 1908, it's become more and more difficult. Some tension starts rising, and market has to make the stronger efforts to just press through this support area and trying to touch 19 even area. Supposedly it should be successful, but just be prepared to this performance. So it might be, well, a bit tricky action around this level. So once market start flirting with the 1908, I suppose that's well, currently we have relatively light background in terms of the statistics, fundamental events. The major events will start only tomorrow. We will get speeches of the Christine Lagarde, speeches of the Jerome Powell somewhere. It also will be CPI numbers in the European Union, and we get final revision of the gross domestic product, which is probably hardly will be effective on the market. But we also will get the personal consumption expenditures, new numbers, the core and the nominal, on the Thursday and Friday. So that might be some surprises. But all in all, chances that market still will complete these targets, usually this happens. So despite that we have the weekly support, maybe some difficulties will be around it, but as a rule, in most cases, intraday targets usually are completed when the market starts flirting with a high level of the confluence support, if even this target stands inside of this confluence. This is just, guys, how long-term levels working. So they are not some predefined levels, they're just some area around its market has the difficulties to break it, but it doesn't mean that we have the rock hard barrier where the market can't break. So any time when the market will start coming closer to the lower border of the confluence, it will feel the rising tensions for downside proceeding. So it means that it could just spike and complete the target, but still overall effect of the weekly support should dominate around this area, and that's actually the reason why in our second part of the trading plan starts watching for a bullish reversal performance around this level. So, but that's probably we will consider maybe closer to the end of the week or even on the next week.